Kakadosh Boker Or. Mishna Yomi Masechet Shevuot. Perek Aleph Mishnah Bet. Kol sheyesh ba yedia. You are in Makot Kudo. Yeah? Shevuot. No, in the same book, towards the end. Right? Kol sheyesh ba yedia batchila v'yedia basof. Right? Anytime that there's going to be an awareness of Tumah in the beginning and also at the end. Right? But there was a loss of awareness in between. Right? Vehelem benatayim. Right? That means at the beginning you knew about the sin. At the end you knew about the sin. But in the middle something happened. Right? That means basically you knew that you were tameh, right? But you forgot and you ate an animal from an offering. And then you realized later on that you were tameh when you did this. So it means the beginning and the end you knew about it, but in the middle you forgot. So you're obligated at korban chatat, which is called olev yored. Olev yored means goes up and goes down. What does that mean? According to the amount of wealth that you have, it goes up with you or down with you. Meaning, if you're wealthy, it's an animal. Yeah, okay. So it's called korban olev yored. Okay, which means goes up and down. Okay, so it means if a person is very poor, it's going to be birds, right? It's going to be a mincha, the whole thing here. Fine. Next situation. What happens if you only knew about it at the beginning, but not at the end? Meaning, you knew you were tameh, you forgot about it, and then you didn't become, and you did the avera, and you didn't even realize you did the avera. That means at the end, you also did not know about it. Right? So therefore, the he goat on Kippur, right, which is going to be done, is performed inside of the sanctuary, also with Kippur, is going to take away the punishment. Because you never found out about it. So you're not going to bring a korban. You never found out. So you need a sa'id plus, right, the Kippur. Ad shivadalo v'yavi oleh v'yavi be'olav yored. Until it becomes known to him, and then what's going to happen is going to bring a korban oleh v'yored. Halacha gimel. Okay? En ba'yedia betchila, aval yesh ba'yedia basof. What happens if there's no awareness of Tumah in the beginning, but there is at the end? Meaning the exact opposite. At the beginning, you didn't know about it, but at the end, you know about it. Right? So therefore, what happens? So for example, let's say you didn't know you were Tameh. You eat, and then after you found out you were Tameh, and you already ate, or you already did it. That means, but you only found out at the end about the beginning. So he says, Sayyid and Asaba Chutz. So now this is a Sayyid which is done outside of the sanctuary, with Kippur is going to atone. Because here you have the Sayyid on the outside, not the one which is done on the inside. So if you look already in the footnotes, right, the Yom Kippur service, you have a pair of male goats is brought. One is slaughtered, right? One is slaughtered, and one of them is sent away to Azazel. So the blood of the one which is slaughtered is taken into the sanctuary and sprinkled by the Kohen Gadol in the Kodesh Kodashim and the Parochet and all those things, right? In addition to these two goats, there's going to be another third goat that was part of the Musaf offering. So this goat was also slaughtered. The blood was sprinkled on the outside of the sanctuary. So therefore, you're going to have two sa'irs that are brought. The third one is thrown to the Azazel. Okay? Fine. Shneimar b'zeh in the pasuk, min levad chatat kippurim, besides the chatat kippurim, al ma shezeh mechaper, zeh mechaper. So he says, for what this one, the inner goat is atones, the other one atones. Ma pnimi enu mechaper ela al davar sheish bo yediyah. Just like the pnimi is only going to be mechaper on something that has a yediyah, an awareness, so to the chitzon is only going to be mechaper on something which has an awareness. But at least it's going to be two different awarenesses. You understand? That means one awareness is going to be at the beginning, one awareness is going to be at the end. So the one which is going to be that he knew about it at the beginning, but not at the end, that's the pnimi. And the one which is the other way around, which is the chitzoni, is the one that you only knew about it at the end and not at the beginning. Have a wonderful day.